Oh snap, Aprilia added some winglets for the new RSV4. Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. This new 2019 RSV4 comes with a plethora of updates, including the newly revised V4 engine that pumps out a powerful 214 horsepower and 90 pounds-feet of torque. So it's up 13 horsepower and 5 pounds-feet of torque from the previous year. And also they lengthened the 5th and 6th gears, so it now redlines at a whopping 13,600 RPM. And with this added power comes more heat, so they added a secondary oil jet just to keep the temp down. And also they reduced the weight to a noticeable 11-pound drop down to 439 pounds wet, and they did this by adding a Bosch lithium-ion battery and street-legal Aprilia titanium exhaust. This bike does come with an adjustable frame and also has newly revised suspension with an Öhlins TTX front fork with 5mm more travel for better turning feel, and also the Öhlins TTX rear shock and steering damper. Also, a 4mm shorter wheelbase, so that means better handling and side-to-side transitions. And also they updated the brake system to the new Brembo Stylema brakes, which are updates from the M50 brakes. So now it has better stopping power and even more efficient. It also has carbon fiber air ducts on the front calipers to reduce heat. And they also stiffen the swing arm for better cornering, and of course it comes with the APRC 5th generation electronics package that has the up and down quick shifter, power modes, traction control, corner traction control, the new TFT display, and also records information from the past ride for post-ride analysis. And also you can connect your phone to it for incoming and outgoing calls via voice command. And for extra costs, of course, you can get the track package where it lowers the weight and it adds the winglets, which are not race legal, but fantastic for you racers out there that like to add gaudy trinkets to your bike for bike night for cool points. So you can ride around on your bike and look cool. You might as well even add a nice spoiler on the back so it looks even faster. Look, I'm going to keep it real with you guys like I always do. Even though some of you guys call me a hater because I say something negative about a bike, but you know what? I'm sharing my opinion. First off, Aprilia makes sick bikes, okay? Nobody can argue with the fact that they make awesome bikes. But Aprilia, you missed the mark on this bike by not updating the looks on this bike. It looks old, man. It looks like the 2000s bike. It's long in the tooth now, and the weight-wise, 439 pounds, even though you reduce it by 11 pounds, is still like 10-11 pounds short compared to Ducati and BMW with their new bikes. BMW, the new S1000RR coming out, is 427 pounds wet, and the Ducati, V4 and V4S or whatnot, it's like 430 pounds. So you're like 10 pounds down. The bikes looks old. And you added these stupid winglets on there, I guess, as a marketing appeal to racers out there, maybe, I don't know, but because it's not race legal, it really doesn't serve much of a point because the electronics package already has like wheeling control anyhow to help keep the front wheel down, and for us regular Joes out there, it's not going to make that big of a difference at the track. So to pay the extra money for the track package for those stupid winglets, it makes no sense to me. But I'm just sharing my opinion on this. However, you made some really fantastic updates to this bike. We can't argue with that. You just need to update the looks. But I want to hear you guys on what you have to say. What do you think about this new 2019 RSV4?
But anyways, guys, for those of you guys that want to get my gear, my camel pants, my boots, my gloves, helmets, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear. There's a bunch of links to all my stuff, and if you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,200 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through. And hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. Hit thumbs up, share this video, comment, but don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel and check out my other channel, Moto.
Showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.